Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another fun video. I actually went to go get a retouch on my lip injections because I hadn't gotten them done, like I believe it over a year or something like that, and I was already losing the volume on the top lip, and then the lip from the bottom always had that one's bigger than the other because of the piercing that I used to have. You guys remember back in the day, I used to have two piercings. So it did cause scar tissue, so it just makes this lip smaller than this one. We tried to even them out, but no matter how much filler they put, it always looks smaller. So I think next time that I get my lips done, I am actually going to just have them make this lip look like this one, make it smaller instead of making it bigger. I was trying to make them bigger to make them even, but it's just not working out for me. So next time I'm gonna do that. But I wanted to show you guys a video on how they did my lips. They did my lips totally different this time. I really like my lips, how they look. They look so plumpy and they look more up. That's what I wanted. I've always wanted that, and everywhere else that I've gone to, they were never able to do it. All they did was make my lip look droopy, and I hated that. So I would mess with my lips so much just to make the filler go away because I didn't like how my lip looked. So they were able to lift this up. This is what I wanted. And we didn't do the full syringe. I usually do a full syringe when I go get my lip retouch. This time we didn't. I was really shocked that we didn't use the whole full syringe because usually we do. And so, like I told Holly from Laser Away, I don't want to look crazy. I just want my lips to look plumpier and lifted. I don't like that droopiness. And so she did a different method. If you guys want to see the method, I'm going to post the video. If you guys don't like needles or blood, don't watch the video, guys, because you will see that. And I think that's basically it. I will put all their information down below in a link where you guys can go definitely check them out. Very friendly. I love it. This is the second time I've gone with them, and I really like how this time around, I mean, before they did my lips were amazing, but this time around I really like it because it was a different method. So you guys will see that in the video. And I think that's about it. I want to thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You know, fuck it, why not? Give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much. And if you guys want to see how they did my lips this time around, then keep on watching. See you guys. Hey guys, so I'm on my way to get my lips retouched. I'm so excited because ever since the quarantine I haven't been able to go. I'm just trying to get a little bit more like a volume on this lip over here, and then kind of even these out because one side is always bigger than the other one. So I'm really excited. And yeah, if you guys want to see me getting my lip injections done, just keep on watching. If you guys don't like lip injections, just don't watch the video because I know you guys are gonna say, girl, no. Anyways, keep on watching. When you forget your mask and you gotta go back to get it to the car. Mario's wearing his mask. Thanks for telling me, Mario. He forgot to tell me. I have to go back to the car. Hate you. Forgot my mask. Totally forgot. Bien chingona, me bajé del carro y se me olvidó mi pinche máscara. Oh shit. Don't forget your mask, people. Like me. Don't be me. Better.
Pretty big, but it's up to you. Obviously, it's whatever you want. So you tell me, do you want to go a lot bigger? Do you want to go a little bit? Or do you want to just have me enhance the shape for you a little bit? I can kind of crisp up.
Because I feel like I lost my volume.
Give me your love, give me your space. I'm just trying to get my mind my soul.